This ad creative will convert like crazy for beauty and skincare brands. Tell me in the comments which industry I should pick next. This ad creative has been running for the past 8 months, so I know it's a massive winner for that brand. And here's why it works. It's a perfect example of a statistical ad. Numbers and data speak to logical side of the brain. While emotions drive purchases, statistics provide a strong rationale for consumers to choose your product. Showcasing precise numbers for before and after results, specifically in skincare, can be incredibly persuasive. Pro tip: always use detailed statistics with decimals. Data presented as 94.5% feels more credible than a rounded figure like 95%. What I love about this creative ad is that this uses bullet points to communicate the product's benefits, and bullet points are easy to digest and are highly effective in driving conversions when used to highlight specific advantages or address customer pain points. Now, if you're in the beauty or skincare industry, this is the one ad creative that you should be testing right now. That's Find Winning Ad Series Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2.